Assalamualaikum. This is the demo video for DGSmartTransport for F19-24-D final presentation. Uh, I'm going to start off by showing the pothole detection model. Now, in this model, we are going to feed it a video feed from a dash cam that is being shown on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we can see the model detecting the potholes. Now the detected images are sent in real time to the blockchain and the Google Drive. The Google Drive basically saves the images and the blockchain basically saves all the metadata. So this metadata and the images are compiled in the Smart City Administration front end, which the Smart City Administration used to view the damages in real time. Now over here is the Smart City Administration dashboard, which is called Potly. We named it Potly because our basically main objective was to detect and verify road-related damages, which were basically potholes. Uh, in the home page, we currently show in real time the statistics, like 13 potholes have been uh, reported and are pending, meaning that it needs the supervision of a smart city administration. Now, there have been 0 fixed cases of potholes detected, and 7 potholes are unverified. Uh, a damage is considered unverified until and unless it meets a certain requirement. For a damage to be verified, it needs to be reported more than 3 times. This is the current criteria. Now moving on to the administrate page. Over here we have the Google Maps on the right hand side and all the reported damages on the left hand side. Now if we click on a damage, we can see the priority level, the latitude and the longitude. Now if I zoom in on the marker, as we can see that this pothole was detected on AK Bukhari Road, which connects Nust and Fast. So the blue color represents the priority level of medium, the green level represents low, and the gray represents insignificant. So this is another pothole that was detected on the IGP road with a priority 1, meaning it's insignificant. So the more the damage is reported, the higher the priority it gets. So like this damage was reported quite a few times, so that's why it has a higher priority than the rest of them. Now there are multiple ways to mark fixed pothole. Either the user can fix it from here, or he can go to the report page. Now the report page shows all the damages that have been reported. This consists of all the priorities, meaning the medium, low, insignificant, and the processing. Processing are those potholes that are unverified. So this pothole will not be shown to the administrator on the administrate page, but it can be viewed over here. So if we select a pothole like this, we can see its priority, latitude, longitude, and if we mark it fixed, and if we refresh the page, the total number of count has gone from 20 to 19. Now if we go to the history page, we can see that pothole. Now the history page is for those damages that have been marked fixed. So whenever a user marks a damage as fixed, it will relocate over here. So if we're like, oh, I accidentally marked this as fixed and I didn't mean to do that, he can do undo. So if we go back to the home page, we can see now 13 are pending, 1 is fixed, and 7 are still unverified. So if we go back to report, and if I remove this, which is a processing, which is also an unverified, it has come over here. We can see still unverified is 7. So So basically, the first video I showed you in which the damages were being detected from a video feed, that's one way of detecting a pothole, which is the autonomous way in which a user only has to have a dashboard, a Raspberry Pi in which our model will be existing, and he just needs to drive around the city. So the video feed will come from the dash cam and it will be fed into the model, and it will detect autonomously potholes and it will be reported to the blockchain. The second way to detect potholes are through our mobile app, in which you can use either the camera to detect, to send pictures of potholes, or you can use the gallery and select the images from the gallery like shown over here. Once the image has been selected, it will be sent to the Google Drive and blockchain. The same process for the autonomous procedure as well. Now here the second image is being sent to the smart city dashboard. Now that's basically the demo for DG Smart City. I hope you liked our project. Thank you.